Shiny Sisters! Hey guys, what's up?
We are going to celebrate our 100K subscribers!
And you guys actually can't even see Nicole right now, but she is behind those boxes.
Stand up.
She can, yeah. So we have some toys that were sent to us for free by some awesome toy companies. But yeah, I think we should start off with the Squishy Mushies.
Yay!
Yay.
We already know what the Squishy Mush is.
Yeah.
We've seen it inside
So,
the box.
in this white box right here are our Squishy Mushies.
But we don't know what's in the big brown box yet.
Yeah. And this box right here are play buttons. Take this one and put it off to the side.
Yay, I'm
It's
here.
So now you can see.
Alright. Alright.
So,
The Squishy Mushies. I love Squishy Mushies.
me too.
They are so squishable.
I would want that one. I want that
I
one.
know they're cute. I'm just gonna pull this whole thing.
I can't wait to see what we get. I call finger purple. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by the tail with me. See?
Awesome.
Oh, purple. Oh. Ah! Can't pick.
Let's see. Sophia, what one do you want to open?
Milkshake or sippy cup.
There are 3 of these.
So we each get to open one.
And then 3 of these. Alright.
I'm.
Here, I know.
so
I'll open this one to make it easier.
Yeah.
Let's open it. Should we?
Let's get to it.
Alrighty. I'm gonna open up this blind bag. Stretch.
I think I'm going to.
Oh. Look, you can see its face.
Oh
Right there.
my gosh!
Okay, ready? Pull it
I
out.
think I got a cow.
Oh, look, it's a panda. That is cute.
I still can't open mine. I'm really struggling.
Why are you so cute?
Oh, that's cute. Alright, so
I think I got a little puppy.
checklist.
Can I see?
There's a unicorn you could get.
Unicorn! I got the unicorn. No, I'm kidding.
I want the unicorn. I mean, it must be an ultra rare.
Yeah. So I got Padma Panda and Cherry Chica, so I guess it's a cherry and not a tomato.
Yeah, I thought it was a tomato.
I know.
Okay, I'm gonna open mine.
Oh, cute. I know what Nicole got.
Really?
Yeah.
A little sheep?
Did you open your surprise one up yet? So Sophia got Cassie Cow and Sunnyside. And Nicole got
This is Sunny.
Vanessa Vanilla and Milky White.
Oh, can I get some of yours?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, she is
That's
so
cute. That kind of looks like Suki.
I picked the blue one.
Okay, I'll take the pink one.
Okay, I'll take the purple one.
Mine is
So I got Series 2 Smushy Mushies, Bestie Bakies.
And I've got Series 2 Mushy Mushies Besties Sweeties.
Got the little peanut.
I got Piper Peanut.
I
You got a Pop-Tart?
Got a Pop-Tart.
Oh, you got some of the munchies. Penelope pastry.
And guess who I got?
That's cute. Who do you get?
Crunchy bar.
Crunchy bar? Can I see?
I wanted that one. But
That.
at least I
Oh,
got a
Bradley bar.
part.
Bradley bar.
So
Alright, that's all of this mushy stuff. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3.
I can't see. Okay, I'll open this part. What?
What is it?
I need to stand up to see it.
Hatchimals!
Hatchimals! Hatchimals! Mommy, we got Hatchimals! Oh my gosh! Hatchimals!
What?
There's a gift.
Gift?
Alright, first off we're gonna open this.
What's in the magical package? This is what I think it is.
What do you think it is?
I think it's like the big Hatchimal.
Me too.
Oh! That is so
What is
awesome!
this?
They're Hatchimal packs and blind bags.
Oh, I always wanted one of these.
That is so awesome!
I know. Thank you whoever sent this.
We have 2 of these. And then we have...
No, we're like...
Wait, are they squishy? No, they're not. And we have
They're made by Spin Master.
4 of these.
Those are like the shotgun blind bags.
Oh, yeah.
Alright. It's a ton of stuff to open.
Yay!
Look at all that Hatchimal stuff.
This is so awesome!
Jinx.
So we'll each open
One of these?
one of these. This is a lot of opening to do.
I know. Guess
You
what?
and Nicole could open up one. So Nicole, Sophia, and then I'll open up these 2.
Awesome! Thank you. You're the best sister ever. Ever. Never have I ever.
So we're just gonna keep on opening.
So that's
Oh my gosh!
what?
I got an egg with the white speckles! And with purple speckles! That's so cute! I'm going to start opening up my eggs.
Wait, wait.
Okay, I'll wait for you. I'll help you count now.
No,
Okay, so I got a green egg, a purple egg, yellow egg, and a white egg.
So I got...
I'm gonna keep track of which one came in which egg, because I think that might lead to which one's the ultra rare or rare.
I got a yellow sprig egg. I got 2 blue ones. I have to go to the bathroom, so I'll see you guys soon.
Okay, in the meantime, I'm just gonna keep on opening mine.
Going to the bathroom. Don't come in here.
Yeah, I don't think I want to.
Okay. Then just let me alone. Okay.
Okay.
You know I can hear you. Yes, sir. Call?
Yeah, I'm still here.
Okay. Let's keep talking.
Okay, so I'm gonna be opening mine first. I'm gonna open the yellow speck. And then I'm gonna open the purple specked one. Oh, I can't believe how cute this is. Right.
Totally got me. Guys,
I got her.
she got me good, guys. Oh,
Let's make our way back. Okay, we are back.
you got me good.
I got it.
Open your yellow one because we both have a yellow one.
Okay, let's open our yellow one. Okay, I got a common. So cute, and she came in the yellow egg, so I'm just gonna keep track of that. And I got Ronnie. Oh, I get it now. Okay, so green speckled are from the forest, red speckled are from the farm, purple jungle, pink garden,
I got a garden one.
blue river,
Sliver, I get a
yellow savanna, orange desert, and dark blue ocean. It looks like there's a lot of chances that we could get a rare. Look how pink my heart is.
Terry.
I got her. I got her good. Here. I scared her. She's like, I have to go to the bathroom, so I'm just gonna go to the bathroom. So she went to the bathroom and I kept on talking, acting like I was opening up the eggs. And then when she came out of the door, I scared her, and then she screamed.
Terry, we already have her.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's cool.
I got a forest one, and she's common. I don't know her name yet.
We have that one too.
We do?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, oh my gosh!
What?
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 I got, look at the checklist! Oh my god! I can't speak!
What do you
White
mean?
speckled means limited edition!
What speckled?
White snow speckled!
So they're all the same color, but the speckles are different.
Yes.
But I don't know
And that
what
depends,
it is.
like, if it's green, it's forest, you know.
Wait,
Yellow
Got it.
savanna.
wait.
And I got white, which means limited edition.
Got it.
Means rare. Purple means ultra rare. And
So we both got a
this
common.
one's cute. Cute little.
Okay. Come on out, little critter.
Oh,
So cute.
Oh my gosh.
That is.
He's so cute.
I want those. I wish I got her.
It's okay, we can share.
I know. She looks so
Cute. And then I'm thinking, since there's so much Hatchimal stuff, we're gonna make another Hatchimal video.
Yay!
Oh my gosh, I got Fuzzy. Oh my.
So, yeah.
Give me the jelly. Oh my gosh. But seriously, she's fuzzy.
Wait, she is?
And she has blue wings.
Look at you.
It's okay, we can still share her.
Chloe. Can I feel her?
Oh my gosh. Looks like I got magical puppet. Puppet. And she has blue wings, which means she's limited edition.
Okay. Wait.
It's okay, we still get to share her, remember? Oh, you got a rare, Sophia.
Wait, what?
You got a rare. Look. Rare.
I got a rare.
Too. That's awesome. We're all doing so well.
Common.
We could get all 5 of these. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 6 of these, and we already have 1.
Nicole.
Oh, she is so metallic and cute.
And we have one more thing to open, which is
It's the play button.
Yay!
open it in front of you guys.
Again, thank you so much for 100K subscribers.
Yeah.
Here it is. Where are we gonna hang up that?
I have no clue. But this is all because of you guys.
And
Our
it's
awesome Shooting Star Squad.
Go Shooting
Star Squad!
So we actually reached 100,000 in February, but today we got this. Oh. Alright guys, we want to say thank you so much.
Yeah, I'm going to have a party.
Again, you guys are so awesome.
Yeah.
We wouldn't be here without you guys.
If we didn't have this YouTube channel, then we wouldn't have like all the set up.
Yeah, alright.
Bye.
Peace out!
Go Shooting Stars.
Squad!
Sister.
Ba, da, 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 da,